Hello again, everybody. My name is Dale DuFay, and here we are at Homestead 2, where we're documenting the remodeling of our mobile home. Got all the woodwork painted yesterday. We spray painted it. I'll put some videos that Mary did of me spray painting at the end of this video. But you can see all the woodwork is completed. We wound up using 2 gallons, and we got like 3 coats on all of it, and it turned out just beautiful. It's china white. I don't know if you can see the contrast, but I mean it looks white, but next to the drywall you can see the the bone color in it, and then it'll look even whiter once the ceiling and walls are done. And incidentally, I plan on doing all the ceilings today. That's the project. That way we can get the walls going tomorrow, and that'll be wonderful, getting all this painting done. But you can see all the woodwork is all completely sprayed. All the doors and closet doors, the bifolds, the regular passage, all the windows. We had to take the lower sash of the windows out completely and mask them all off. And you can see that in the videos where I'm spraying. But see, all the woodwork is done. Isn't that nice? It just turned out really, really nice. All these doors. It just went so well. We spent more time. Oh, incidentally, Mary's at home getting things done there, important things that we need to deal with there as far as packing and things like that. Plus, I didn't need her today. I'm just rolling out the ceiling, and she would have just been cutting in, and that's like nothing. I can take care of that. And because again, there's more important things to do at H1 at this time. But all the windows, like I say, all these, we had to take these lower sash out and then totally mask off. We took this out simply because it's bumped out so far, and this handle lip here is sticking out so far. It would have been really difficult to try to mask this. But you can see how nice and neat that turned out. And we're just really, really pleased. You can't obviously feel it, but it's real smooth and slick, and it has an eggshell finish too. So we can see we covered everything up. I'm leaving the cabinets covered till the ceiling's done. And you can just see how it just turned out so nice with the spraying. And we, I was getting at earlier, or starting to get at, is that we spent more time prepping than we did spraying. And because the spraying took a couple hours, but the prepping took 8, well, we were here for like 10 hours yesterday. Probably the longest day we've spent here working. But it was pretty relatively easy work. The spray gun gets heavy after a while, that's for sure. But you can just see how much time it saved. And not only did it save time, it also increased the quality of the work really tremendously. I mean, you just can't beat that spray finish. It's magnificent. I mean, there's no runs, and plus there's no brush marks and things like that from the, say if you rolled it on with one of those little rollers, we call them whizzies, or if you brushed it on, you just can't beat it. The spray, the look of the spray, it's really, really consistent and real smooth and very fast. I mean, like I said, it would have taken us 2, maybe 3 days to paint all this by hand, because there's 6 doors, and 3 of them we had to do both sides of the doors. I didn't do the outside of these exterior doors, just the inside only. So again, stick around for at the end of this video, pose those, or maybe I'll just import it onto this video and do some transitions, because she did like 3 of them of me spraying. And she was really invaluable yesterday, because you could see there's the unit itself right there. It's a cap spray. Boy, these are the best sprayers there are. High volume and low pressure. But you can see how heavy and cumbersome that hose is. It has to be real heavy duty in order to handle the, you know, low pressure, which is very intense and constant. And it, because if there's like any leaks in it, it you know, messes with the integrity of the spray. So she was like helping me handle the hose and keeping it from touching the finished sprayed woodwork and whatnot. So she was really invaluable yesterday. And it just was a lot of work, but we got it all done. We didn't get home till like 8 o'clock last night. So that was really, really worked out really good. And this morning I'm looking at it all along with you, and it just turned out really, 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 really good. Really happy with it. So again, stick around, watch those other videos of me spraying and see how it's done. And I hope you enjoy it. And I thank you for watching, and I'll talk at you later. Love you.